Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to find USDT ERC20 wallet address on HTX. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your HTX application. Once you have logged into your HTX account, you need to click on Assets at the bottom right corner. From this new window, you need to simply select Deposit button. From this list of currencies, in the search bar, you need to search for USDT simply and click on it. Now you need to choose a network. So simply choose USDT ERC20 network and always make sure to select same network on the receiving side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now click on ERC20 and here you can see your USDT ERC20 wallet address along with the QR code. Simply tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDT ERC20 wallet address on HTX. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto